Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss a challenge that usually faces in each offices. As you can see, we have multiple sheets of data, and we need to combine these sheets in a single sheet. So we need to copy data from one sheet to another. Like this we are doing. But we have multiple sheets that we need to combine. And if it becomes our daily task in office, so what we can do? So we need to take help of Power Query. So to combine these sheets, we need to go on Data tab. In the Data tab. Now, click on Get Data option. Click on from Excel Workbook. Now, we need to select our file of multiple sheets. Now, click on it. It will take little bit time. Now, this window appears. Here, you can select all sheets or your desired one as well. Now, simply tick your desired one. The practice is also attached below for your kind reference. In our case, we need to select all sheets to make big data. Now, click on Transform Data option. This window will process our sheets. Now, this window will pop up in our screen. Here, you need to go on Appended Queries option. Here, we need to use New One option as we want this on the new sheet. We have 3 or more sheets. Now, we need to add all these sheets. You can select all sheets and click on Add option. Here, we have all the sheets needed in our data. Now, our whole data sheets are appended in a single data sheet. You can scroll down and check manually. But it takes time. So we need to extract these sheets on Excel file. So simply click on Close and Load to option. We want in table, so click on OK for table. Now it will process our sheet and convert into single sheet. You can name this sheet as Master Sheet. Now, if you want, then you can delete all remaining sheets as well. Click on First Sheet, then hold Shift button and click Last One. Now, delete all these sheets. You can also move this sheet in a single one also to send on email. Click on New Book option. In this way, we got the single appended sheet. You can also make it more simple formation. Select Whole Table Data and go on Table Design. Now, click on Convert to Range to make it simple. Now, change the color of the cells. This makes it even more simple. Your manager will also not be able to find difference. This is how you can save your time by simple function.